Thank you.
So you're coming to my home for the first time. Welcome.
Thank you.
What are you looking at? Those?
Where did you buy them?
I did not buy them. I made them. DIY. How do you like this?
You really made this?
I really made this. They're beautiful, isn't it?
They are good. DIY is nice, but such a show off this one is.
This one can't even compliment properly. Jealousy is such a thing. Fine. Hey YouTube family, welcome to my channel Decorate with Manas. How are you? Aren't they looking so pretty? They're so cute. Chalk, it's such an interesting material from an artistic point of view. It has this nice rough texture. It is sustainable and you can erase it and do it all over again. You can totally customize it, and from a creative standpoint, I think the possibilities are infinite. And chalk also has a nostalgic feeling. It reminds me of my old school days when my teacher used to write on board with a chalk and the class monitor used to go and rub. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn any surface into a very pretty looking chalkboard and create a very pretty wall hanging out of them and express your creativity. This DIY is going to be easy, quick, and sustainable. And as a bonus, I will also share some design ideas that you can use to create your designs, so stick around till the end. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin. First thing that you need is acrylic paint or chalk paint. Any color is fine, but it should be dark so that the chalk stands out. And a little bit of white cement or POP. Then you need a surface to paint on to make the chalkboard. An MDF sheet or a piece of cardboard would be just fine. And a few other basic art supplies like a brush to paint with. And obviously some pieces of chalk to write with. Here is the list so that you can screenshot and save. First we are making a blackboard, and so I'm taking black acrylic paint and mixing the POP in it. Ratio approximately 50-50% should be just fine. Then I added a little bit of water and then started to make the paste. Now you have to mix it thoroughly so that any lumps are kind of dissolved and broken. And you should have a paste-like consistency which should be not too thick and not too thin. After mixing the paste thoroughly, the paint is ready and I'm starting to paint it on the MDF sheet. And I'm going over in long, broad strokes. So how this works is, the POP or white cement that we added to the paint, it imparts it a rough, coarse texture, and so we are able to write on it with a chalk. Just trying to cover up the entire sheet as quickly as possible. The first coat should be quick and thin so that it dries faster, so that we are ready for the second coat. After finishing the first coat, I let it dry and then I started with the second coat. The second coat is where you see a nice coverage and a nice smooth finish. And so I quickly finished the second coat as well and let it dry. Okay, so while this is drying up, let's start with the second project, which is a nice deep red chalkboard. This time also the process is the same, but I'm taking a red acrylic color and again adding POP and a little bit of water to form a similar thick paste to paint on with. For this project, I'm taking a piece of cardboard because I wanted to be able to cut it in a round shape. And the color is already starting to look so pretty, this deep red color, beautiful. So yeah, just like that, both my chalkboards were ready. It's as simple as that. Okay, so these have dried now, and the black one, which is on the MDF sheet, and the cardboard one, which is the red one, they are absolutely ready to write. Now begins the fun part, the creative part, where we can write fun messages and make them ready for a stylish wall hanging. So before we start writing, we have to prime the surface, and for that basically just roll the chalk sideways, cover it, and then basically just wipe it clean. Now I'm not really sure why this step is needed, but every tutorial I saw recommended this, so maybe there's some logic to it. I don't know, I just did it to be on the safe side. Yay, so finally it's time to write, and I'm writing a sweet message for my friend Sagar. What would he resonate with? Aao Kabhi Haveli Pe is totally him. And I did some mistakes also. I think there wasn't enough space left for pay, so I just cleared the whole thing and then wrote it again. You know what? That's the whole point of having a chalkboard. You can make as many mistakes and then wipe them off and then start over again. No commitments required. Also, to make these words more impactful, I'm going over with colored chalk as well to kind of make them pop. And to be honest, I was pleasantly surprised that my Hindi handwriting is still so good. And Hindi looks so pretty with its beautiful curves. I love it. So yeah, I went over all the words, filled up any gaps. And just like that, this chalkboard was completely ready. Yay, it looks so pretty. Aao kabhi haveli pe. Now for our second project, which is this red chalkboard, I wanted to have a round frame. So luckily I had an embroidery hoop lying around and so I used that. Well, the plan here is to cut the cardboard of the size of the embroidery hoop and use the embroidery hoop as a frame. And so I quickly marked the shape of the embroidery hoop, the inner one, and cut it out. And then it was time to check if it fits the embroidery hoop or not. So yeah, the size looks good. I think it will work with this. So I decided to attach our cardboard chalkboard on the inner embroidery hoop using some fabric glue. And after that, to keep it in place while it's drying, I kept a heavy object on it so that it doesn't move. I left it for 20 minutes and it was completely dry. And so I picked up the outer embroidery hoop and just kept it in place and just secured it and tightened it so that it remains in place. Also, if you were wondering why is my outer hoop black, basically I had painted it black for some other DIY which did not work, but luckily it works perfectly for this DIY. To give it a more polished look, I'm taking this decorative thread and kind of gluing it in the corner so that it hides all the rough edges of the cardboard and give it a more sophisticated, more high-end look. It was super easy and quick to do. I basically lined the inner edge with glue and then basically put the decorative thread and just pressed on it. And even if this glue kind of overspills, don't worry, it dries clear so it will not be visible later, but it was just quick to do and then I cut off the excess thread. It looks so much better with this decorative threading. I love it. And now it's time to write a beautiful message on it. Well, this one I'm planning to keep it for myself and I'm thinking of writing good vibes only because that's what this channel stands for. Let me know in the comments if you like the vibes of this channel and if you like me. Aww. So just like the last time, I'm going over the font again and just making it thicker and more impactful to look at. And I will also go over with a colored chalk to kind of just give it a pop of color. It's these kind of details that makes our DIYs more impactful and more beautiful. Good vibes only. It's such a cute message, and if you're hosting a party, you can always just make a tiny little chalkboard like this and it will be a standout piece for your party. Much, much better than the ready-made party decor that you get in stores. Also, just to add an extra layer of fun, I'm also drawing these cute stars because I thought it would look really pretty and that's my vibe. But you can choose to draw any other shapes as well, triangles, circles, whatever you like. And yes, both my chalkboards are ready. Yay! My chalkboards are ready and I'm really happy how they've turned out. They already look so cute and so pretty. Hi! So now I'm in front of Sagar's house and I'm gifting this to him because he was acting all pricey and almost like bitchy when I told her that I made those beautiful DIY chalkboards. So I think the best way to show him that I did that was to make one for him and gift it to him. So yeah, let's gift it to him and see his reaction. Sagar!
Hi.
Hello!
Hi.
I have a gift for you.
Wow. What the?
This is
This for
you.
me?
Yeah, I made this for you. You like it?
I love it.
Just because you doubted my DIY skills. This is a reminder. Never doubt me.
I did doubt his skills. He has done a decent job.
And also, it suits your character. आओ कभी हवेली पे. That's cool. Let's put it up.
Thank you.
So this DIY is also a perfect gift for your close family and friends. I mean, it would look very pretty in most house, and the message can be customized anyway, so they can write whatever they want to. Here are some cute looking but easy to make designs for you to try out when you make your own chalkboards. Such fun ideas for birthday decor. So that was the video, guys. As always, if you liked my video, please leave a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I keep sharing videos about home decor and DIY. I keep my videos fun, I keep my videos simple, so you'll have a great time watching them. Good vibes only. Also, please let me know in the comments which part of this DIY was your favorite. I love reading your comments, and I reply to each and every comment because I love you guys. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye!